Trilemma Game Theory in Action. Prisoner's Trilemma is a game about game theory. It's designed to help you understand its key concepts. Game theory pervades all games and underpins the study of human interactions. In Prisoner's Trilemma, players consider interesting moral and ethical trilemma situations with multiple possible outcomes. Players will choose to cooperate, betray, or compromise. One key idea in game theory is that of a payout matrix, which is central to this game. Based on what other players do, an outcome is determined through a payout matrix. Game theoretic games. This genre of games is used to study and understand game theory. Game theory as a discipline was founded by John von Neumann and Oscar Morgenstern in 1944 with their book Theory of Games and Economic Behavior to study two-person, zero-sum games. Now, modern game theory is the science of logical decision-making in humans, animals, and computers through strategic interactions among agents. Game theoretic games include Prisoner's Dilemma, Selton's Chain Store Paradox, Schelling's Solitaire, O'Neill's Card Game, and the Ultimatum Game, among others. Setup and objective. The objective of the game. Prisoner's Trilemma is a head-to-head game where players or teams try to score points based on the outcomes of their decisions for various trilemmas. Players get points from a payout table based on whether players choose to cooperate, betray, or compromise. The game ends after 5 rounds. Here we see setting up Prisoner's Trilemma. First, you'll create teams. Prisoner's Trilemma supports 2 to 6 players. Divide the players into 2 teams. You'll remove or expel cards from the game, removing the wild cards and the value 8 through 13 of the technology domain cards. The rest of the cards can be shuffled together to form a common draw deck, and you'll also create a payout deck using the science cards, and each team or player draws 13 cards, and then ready the trilemmas for use. Gameplay. Prisoner's Trilemma is played over 5 rounds, and in each round there's these phases that are shown here. The draw phase, the pick trilemma phase, the trilemma phase, game theory scoring phase, and check for end of game phase. Prisoner Trilemma is played in rounds. Each game round has the following phases. In the draw phase, each player or team draws 2 cards from the draw deck. In the select trilemma phase, you'll select a trilemma for the round. In the trilemma phase, players consider the trilemma with a fixed payout table. If playing in teams, players may deliberate. Decide whether you will cooperate, defect, or compromise. Choose a service domain card to represent cooperating. Use a knowledge domain card to defect. Choose a technology domain card to compromise. Play the chosen card face down. Reveal cards and consult the trilemma phase payout table. Find the cell on the table based on the cards played and calculate and note scores. Here we see the trilemma phase payout table using fixed payouts. In the player A cooperates service domain column, the leftmost column, is used if player A chooses to cooperate using a service domain card to represent cooperating. If player A chooses to defect using a knowledge domain card to represent defecting, you'll use the middle column. If player A compromises, you'll use the rightmost column. If player B cooperates, you use the first row. If player B defects, you use the middle row. And if player B compromises, you use the bottom row. So for example, if player A chooses to cooperate by playing a service domain card, and player B also cooperates using a service domain card, they'll each score 1 point. Next, in the game theory phase, you'll reveal a card from the payout deck for the cooperate payout scorecard, another for the defect score payout card. You'll place the compromise payout card face down, reshuffle the payout discard to form a new payout deck as necessary. Players consider the same trilemma that they did in the trilemma phase again. If playing in teams, players may deliberate, decide whether you will cooperate, defect, or compromise, choose a service domain card to represent cooperating, choose a knowledge domain card to defect, choose a technology domain card to represent compromising, play the chosen card face down. Game theory scoring phase. Both players or teams reveal their chosen face down play cards. The game theory phase uses the game theory payout table. See the rules of the play guide video for more details on this. Find the cell on the table based on the row and column of the revealed player cards. Follow the instructions in the table cell to claim payout science scorecards and discard any unclaimed payout science scorecards. Check for the end of the game. The game ends after 5 game rounds. Scoring at the end of the game. After the game ends, calculate scores. Add the points earned from all 5 trilemma phases. The value 1 through 8 payout science cards in your score pile are worth 1 point each. Value 9 through 13 cards are worth 2 points each. Tech deck concepts. There are 3 key ideas to the tech deck. It modernizes classic playing cards, bringing them into the 21st century. Use it for any classic card game. Unique card game effects create interesting interactions and provide replayability. The small form factor is versatile and easy to carry. Wherever you are, whomever you're with, and whenever you like, you can enjoy gaming. Games long and short, casual and serious. The Tech Deck is a game platform you can play many games with. They will appeal to many different audiences, speaking to hardcore gamers, non-gamers, party settings, and family settings. There are 13 games in the Tech Deck family of games: Tech Grid Poker, Tech City, Tech Exchange, Tech Chess, Gears of Industry, Elevator Pitch, Cardle, Chronological, Peer-to-Peer, Carduku, Newsworthy, Card Barrage, and this game. Tech Poker is two-dimensional poker with card abilities. Tech City explores the tile-laying genre of game. It's also a semi-cooperative genre game where players create a city, like laying tiles with the cards representing buildings in the game. Tech Exchange explores the real-time genre of games where players exchange cards that represent stocks. Tech Chess is a strategy genre game, and it's a chess variant where the pieces have abilities and you can upgrade and build them. Gears of Industry explores the personalized card game genre, where players build customized decks and play a head-to-head game. Elevator Pitch is a creative party game and idea generation tool, and players take pairs of tech deck cards, create a company, and deliver an elevator pitch to the other players. Cardle is head-to-head code breaking, a deduction and puzzle game. Chronological is an educational and history-based family and party game. Peer-to-peer is a cooperative deck building game. Carduku is head-to-head Sudoku. Newsworthy is a conversational game where you search the internet as a source of conversation. Card Barrage is both a dexterity genre game and a tower genre defense genre game. And of course, this game, Prisoner's Trilemma, Game Theory in Action, where players consider engaging trilemmas through payout matrices. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please check out the play guide video if you're interested in finding out more about Prisoner's Trilemma and a full detailed video of how to play. Please check out my website and other YouTube videos on my YouTube channel to learn more about all the Tech Deck games, to download the rules, and to watch videos of how to play. Thank you.